and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a sway triple step. Now, we'll show you it first. A couple of things you need to know first if you're going to join in is, one, you need to know how to do a sway, and two, it would be really helpful if you've already done something like a first move triple step. Because frankly, this isn't the first triple step you want to learn. You want to learn one of the easy ones before you learn a trickier one. So we'll show you the full version, and we will show you how to do a simpler version before we try the full version. So the whole thing, if you do the full-on end result, looks like this. Goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, it's not as hard as you might initially think, but you need to break it down and learn it in stages. So first off, we're just going to do a little bit of footwork together. So if we face the front, with a little bit of space for us to go backwards, we're all going to step back on our right. So there's one step. Then we're going to step back on the left, and we're going to do a rock. So we go rock onto the left, weight back onto the right. So rock, step. Then we're going to do our triple. All we're going to do is go straight forwards, and we're going to go left, close, left. Then we're going to go back and we're going to go right, close, right. And we're going to repeat the rock step. So we get rock, step, left, close, left, right, close, right, rock, step, left, close, left, right, close, right, rock, step. Now as I do it this time, I'm going to rotate a little bit so you can see a different angle, and Karen's going to stick with what she was doing. So we're going to go left, close, left, right, close, right, rock, step, triple step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step, rock, step. Okay, so that's the basic. Now we're going to put it together with a partner. So I'm actually going to do it starting on this side so you get a better view. And we're not going to do all the rotation we showed you earlier. We're just going to do it up and down a straight line. So we go semicircle back, wrap for a sway. So be careful about getting a nice hand grip for the lady on the far hip. Ladies can offer the spare hand. Probably a good idea to take it today, guys, because all the communication chances we get we're going to need. And we're all going to take a step back right. So we're all together, right foot back, and then we're ready to go. So we get rock, step. When we do our triple, we're going to go straight forwards, triple step. Notice I'm angled, so I'm looking over Karen's shoulder, and her shoulder is in against my chest, so she can also feel what my body's doing. Get the triple step going back, triple step. There's enough space, and a little rotation makes it easier for the lady to come through the middle. Rock, step. Again, triple step, rock, step. Two's probably enough. When you're practicing, you might want to do more, but in freestyle, a couple forwards and backs probably enough. We're going to lift the left, pop the right arm. So that basically means straightening the right arm out, and the act of straightening the arm gives the lady a gentle push forwards. Send the lady away. Left went over the top, right was down low. Guys face the ladies, so we're in an accordion. You can do an accordion move, or failing that, let go with the left. Standard return with the right, and you're done. Okay, so let's do that again and think numbers, and we'll do it from the other side so you get the other view, but you probably want to stick that way round so you can see. So we go back 1, wrap 2, sway back on the right, 3, rocking, count 4, triple forwards, count 5, triple back, count 6, rocking, 7, triple forwards, 8, triple back, 1, rocking 2, send the lady away, 3, facing 4, returning 5, and back 6. So let's try it together, just up and down a straight line. Here we go, 5, a 6, a sway, triple step. We go a back, wrap, back, right, rock, step, triple step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, away, look, return and back. Now you've got the basic. The magic bit is to add one final thing, and every time you do a triple, instead of your triple going straight up and straight back, we just do rotate to the right. So when we do our triple forwards, we rotate forwards and to the right. Then we rotate to the right again and we go back. So we've gone from one end to the other. We do our rock, step, and we do exactly the same thing. Head out to the right, keep turning right, and when you go back, you should end up back where you started, having done roughly a diamond shape on the floor, ready to do your final rock step. Let's try putting that together with a partner slowly. So we go back, 1, wrapping, 2, back on the right, 3, rocking, 4. Now when we do our triple, instead of going straight forwards, guys, a little bit of rotation, so we go forwards to the right, triple step. We need more rotation, so now when we go back, triple step, we're looking back to where we started, rock step. Repeat the same idea, so head forwards to your right, triple step, keep rotating right, back to where we began, rock step, and finish as before. There is no kind of trickiness to that other than having the confidence to make sure you turn right every time you're going to go into a triple. Good connection with your partner is going to really help, so that when you rotate, your partner instantly feels that and wants to come with you. Apart from that, it's just a bit of practice. So here we go. 5, a 6, a sway, triple step. We go a back, wrap, back on the right, rock step, turning right, rock step, turning right, rock step, away and look, return and back. And that's that. I hope you've enjoyed it. We'll pop a nice music recommendation on the end, something that's going to be particularly nice to do this move to. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Any questions or comments, pop them in the section below, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.